So if you are someone who is installing Java for the first time, or you are already have an older JDK like JDK 19 that I have in my system over here, so in this video I will help you to understand or so step-by-step installation that how can you install a new JDK version on your system. Does not matter if you are installing it for the first time or you already have an pre-existing JDK version on your system. So we will start with the installation process. So here I am in the Oracle official website. So here is the JDK 25 version, but I'm not going to install that. Instead of that, I'm going to focus on the latest stable version, that is JDK 21. So let me click on this installer. So it will be downloaded in a few seconds. So apart from that, I will also be showing you the path setup and how to configure the environment properly so that you can run the Java programs in your system. So it will take a few moments. So if you are new to the channel, you can check my previous videos where I have uploaded some DSA content, some of the projects that you can uh, take as a reference from me for your college work or for personal reference. I have added those project links in the previous video, so you can check it out if you want. Now our installer is ready. So let me just run it and proceed with the further steps. So I think yes. So let me just allow the options. So I think it is in the another screen. So let me bring it to the primary monitor. So we have to install the Java. So it is asking the directory. So we want it in the C drive, but if you want it in the other storage drive, you can specify that. So it will take some time and install it. I think it is successfully installed. Now we have to do the path setting. For that, you need to go to the this PC, C drive. Then in the C drive, in the program files, you have to go to Java. Then I had already JDK 19 on my system. I have a JDK 21 installed now. You can see the date also over here. 20th November is the date where we have installed this JDK 21 in our system. Now go to the bin folder and click on this top bar over here and now copy this link. Now in the environment variable in the Windows of yours, in the edit environment variable, go to this Java home. Make sure you have this Java home in the system variables of your system. In the Java home, instead of JDK 19, I will uh, specify the JDK 21. So I will just remove this beam because I think it's not needed. So click OK and also make sure that in the path or class path variable of your project of your system, you have this particular thing that reference to the Java home variable in the system variable. So in the user variable, we take reference from this Java home variable. So this Java home points to JDK 21 and this path variable slash bin over here refers to the JDK 21 bin folder that we have just copied. So it's same as this particular thing. So instead of that, we are taking reference from the system variable over here. So now let me go to the command prompt. And now if I click this Java version over here. So now you can see I have installed JDK 21 in my system. So that's it for this video where we learned how we can install multiple JDK version in our system. So if you have any doubts or you are stuck in any step during installation, you can reach me out in the comments and I will be happy to help out. So thank you. That's the end of this video.